we want to just look at some customizations. First, we're going to look at copying data from query results. So instead of exporting a query to Excel like you normally would, and hoping that you have AutoRun installed or even Excel installed, you can now copy the data directly from the query and paste it into Excel. So I'm going to go back in SAP, and I'm going to do a simple query. So for those who don't know where the queries are, if you go under Tools to Queries, Query Generator, and I am going to look at the item table, which is OITM. So I'm going to do a simple query. I want to pull item number, the item description, the item group, and barcode. I'm going to leave the where clause open. We can get into queries at another time. I'm going to click execute, so it's going to bring up every item and its description, its item group, and a barcode if it has one into this query result. So normally, as some of you may be well aware, you can export into Excel from here. So if I click export to Excel, first the save as button, so you'd have to save the file and you have to save it as a type text or XLS. But in this case, I want to make it easier. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click Copy Data. So it copies the data to your clipboard. Now I'm going to open Excel, and I'm going to paste the data in there just by hitting Control-V. So now all the data that came back from the query is now in an Excel sheet, and I can edit it as I need. One of the other advantages of this is you can also save it as any file type you need. So some of you that are familiar with Data Transfer Workbench, which is another SAP tool, the two types of files that can be used are text or comma-separated values, or CSV. Now, exporting to Excel will save as text, but it will not save as CSV. So after I've done editing, I can save it and be done. Or if I just wanted to view in Excel because it's easier to look at, I can look and then I can just cancel out of Excel. I don't need to save the file, so it doesn't need to live somewhere. I don't have to worry about deleting it 4 years from now.